So you can use your computer or smart TV and then signing in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then after you're signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to your top right of your screen and click on your profile picture. And then you want to click on settings. On the settings at the membership, at the base plan, if you have this manage option instead at option, then it means your subscription to YouTube TV is still ongoing. So you can just go back to YouTube TV homepage by tap on this YouTube icon. And then you can just tap on this search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for HGTV. And then on the HGTV, on the network sign, you want to click on it. And there you go. Now you can watch the HGTV using your TV. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session of the HGTV and you want to record it to watch it later on your YouTube TV library, so you can just hover over any specific upcoming live session and then just click on the three dots and then click on add with the show name. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded the show for you, even when you don't watch it on live. And then to check on every show that you just add or recorded, you can just click right here on the library at the top of your screen. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch HGTV on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.